here we are. Preparation for season 25-26. Took a wee hit now. I don't know what happened. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Get your wee confidence back? Yeah. Into a new chapter? Yeah. Let's do it. Haven't battle started with on a beat test. Woo! See you soon.
Start level 1, 1. Level 1, 2. Level 2, 2. Level 2, 6. Level 3, 5. Level 4, 3. Level 6, 3. Level 8, 5. Level 9, 7. Level 10, 4. Level 11, 6. Level 12, 10. Level 13, 3.
Okay, lead test done. Absolutely amazing effort from him and me. I got level 12, round 10. You got
13-3.
13-3. So he's beat his best, which was 11-3. So he's went up 2 levels, which is excellent. And only back from holiday where he was drinking all week. Last week. Well done, kid. Good start. Proud of you.
The stars come out at night and light the way home. You and I inside will never let go. You know I follow you and all you do, but when you're gone, yeah, I lose my mind. When stars come out at night, sometimes it feels like we're strangers tonight.
Well done, how do you feel?
Good.
Good. That's the start of many to come. We'll get you back where you belong, son. Alright? You done well tonight. We're proud of you.